Hey guys, what is up? Just doing a trade review for the last day in July. Today's July 31st, 2023. And I had a few tickers on my radar this morning. DKNG, which is the stock that I eventually took. FSLY, Riot. And these I had looking at more of a breakout scalpy style setup. This is kind of what I've been leaning to lately. My style seems to be evolving. As a trader, the longer you're in this game, the more refining I'm doing, the more things just kind of seem to feel right, kind of an intuitive based rules blend, and it's working well. This month I'm green. I'm just around 9R, 9.5R, I believe, this month, and things are going well. But yeah, I had DKNG, FSOI, and Riot. Riot, I was very hesitant to take this at the open. Pull this up. It did come to my level and it did pop, but it scared me because it looked like it was going to halt. And this is something I've never experienced as a trader. I've never been stuck in something, and I don't want this to happen. I'm kind of spooked out because last week I lost data with DAS, and this again has never happened to me. I had to pull out my phone, and luckily my data came back rather quickly. I think it was only out in a minute or two, but it felt like an eternity. But I was ready to close my position on my phone. I do have DAS risk controls in place, but still, it's an uneasy feeling if you're partialing and you don't have a stop in place. Anyhow, let's see, what did I take? I took DKNG. So the reason I took this trade was there was a room on the daily, and I had a level here. Let's see, where are we? 15 and 30 minute, it threw a range. Had a range over the last couple days. So my thought process was it comes down to this range top, either holds and bounces or holds and loses it. And coincidentally, it lines up with S4. So as the stock opened, it broke down. And it came back up. I shorted it on the first minute. Was it the first minute? Yes, I believe it was minute one. No, minute two. And I was just kind of waiting for that 1 minute range to pop, to break. And these are just quick scalps, partials, all out, and then I'm back in, partialed out, added into my position. And I was feeling really good. I'm up about 2.5R on this trade, and I thought I could take it for a reversal, which eventually it did work. This worked out, but I like to see on a reversal a little volume, additional volume push, and I didn't see it. I think this was just a case of being overconfident in this trade, but it did line up with the bottom of the 15-minute range, and it's kind of stuck in this. You can even see it on the daily. Small range here, but that is it for the day. There's a couple other plays that came into place, and I didn't want to take it. It's the last day. They are A+ trades, but I'm just choosing my stress for the day, and I want to end it green and followed all my rules. There's other things I can do in the business, looking at longer time frames, marking my level, working on blogs, working on social videos. So yeah, that is what I chose to do today. So we're one trade, no, two trades. So however you want to look at this, is scalpy. Not my typical, but it's working for me. And yeah, that's it. So anybody has any questions, please leave me a comment, DM, or just shoot me an email. I hope everybody had a good trading morning, and I will see you later.